How to never run out of YouTube video ideas. The OPC technique, using other people's content for inspiration. If you have been on YouTube for a while, you may find yourself struggling to come up with new and innovative video ideas. Creating regular content that leaves an impact on the audience can be a hard nut to crack, and it's natural for even the most talented YouTubers to hit the inspiration wall at some point. Fortunately, you can lay your worries to rest by adopting the OPC technique, other people's content. In simple words, the OPC technique is all about finding inspiration from content other than your own. The idea is to evaluate how other successful YouTubers are creating content and using that information to create your content while putting your unique spin on it. So how do you go about it? Firstly, start by checking out the platforms that interest you. Are there any channels you follow religiously or any videos you watch more than once? Draw inspiration from the content that piques your interest or attracts your attention. You may also want to look into your watch history to get an insight into the type of content that you enjoy watching. Joining Facebook groups related to your niche can be another way to find inspiration for your videos. Members of these groups often share opinions, questions, and thoughts about the topics that interest them. By analyzing their queries and comments, you can discover what people are interested in, allowing you to tailor your content to answer their questions or provide information they seek. Additionally, running polls or a question and answer segment in such groups can help you capture the audience's pulse and create content that can resonate with them effectively. Looking at your competitor's video can also provide a great source of inspiration. Analyze your competitor's content and try to identify the questions asked by the viewers. YouTubers often have comment sections, and people may ask questions about the video or seek more information about the topic. Consider answering these questions and addressing the viewers' needs in your videos, providing more in-depth information than your competition. Finally, don't hesitate to use Google and artificial intelligence, AI, tools like ChatGPT to analyze industry trends and accumulate video ideas. By understanding what people are searching for and what content is available, you stay relevant and fresh, keeping your videos timely and on demand. In conclusion, the OPC technique is an excellent way to ensure you never run out of YouTube video ideas. By utilizing the strategies mentioned above, you can find inspiration from other YouTubers, social media groups, and other platforms, allowing you to create new and innovative content that keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Utilizing Facebook groups and watch history to spark creativity. When trying to come up with new YouTube video ideas, it can be difficult to think of something fresh and original. That's where utilizing your Facebook groups and watch history can come in handy. Firstly, when it comes to Facebook groups, these can be an excellent source of inspiration. If you haven't joined any Facebook groups related to your niche yet, now is the time to do so. Not only can you connect with like-minded individuals who share similar interests, but you can also see what topics people are discussing in your particular field. From there, you can identify trends and see what people are interested in learning more about. Take note of any recurring themes or topics that come up and use those as inspiration for your next video. Furthermore, your watch history on YouTube can also be a great resource when trying to come up with new video ideas. By looking back at what you've watched previously, you can see what types of content interest you and incorporate those into your own channel. Keep in mind, however, that you don't want to outright copy someone else's content. Instead, take inspiration from their videos and make them your own. For example, if you watched a how-to video on a particular topic, put your own spin on it by adding your own tips and tricks that you've learned through your own experiences. In addition to utilizing Facebook groups and your watch history to spur your creativity, it's also important to stay up to date with industry trends. One way to do this is by using Google and AI tools like ChatGPT. By typing in keywords related to your niche, you can see what people are currently searching for and get inspiration for your next video. Ultimately, the key to never running out of YouTube video ideas is to stay curious and open-minded. Always be on the lookout for new inspiration and ways to put your unique spin on it. By utilizing Facebook groups, your watch history, Google, and AI tools, you can pave the way for endless video ideas and keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Sharing personal experiences to connect with your audience. As a YouTuber, creating content for your audience, it's essential to understand that your viewers not only consume your videos, but also want to connect with you on a more personal level. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by sharing personal experiences in your videos. While it may seem daunting to open up about your life, it can make a significant impact on your audience. When you share personal experiences, you make yourself vulnerable, and that vulnerability helps create a stronger connection with your viewers. It's crucial to remember that your audience is made up of individuals who have emotions and experiences that they want to relate to. When you share your experiences, you can tap into those emotions and create an instant connection with your audience. However, when sharing personal experiences, there are a few things to consider. Firstly, only share things that you feel comfortable sharing. It's not necessary to reveal everything about your life. Just because you are a content creator, it doesn't mean that you need to put your entire life on display. Secondly, be genuine in the way you share your experiences. Your viewers can tell when you are faking it, so it's crucial to be authentic. Your personal stories should demonstrate lessons learned or provide value to your audience, especially those related to the niche you operate in. Thirdly, don't overshare. Just because you are sharing personal experiences that people can relate to, doesn't mean that they want to know everything going on in your life. It's essential to keep a balance between sharing personal experiences and maintaining your privacy. Sharing personal experiences can be an excellent way to keep your audience engaged and create a deeper connection with them. It's often the personal experiences that help your audience remember you and your channel. By following the tips outlined above, you can share personal experiences in a way that is beneficial to both you and your viewers. In conclusion, generating content ideas as a YouTuber can be challenging, but by trying the OPC technique and utilizing social media, you can explore trending topics and spark creativity. It's essential to understand your target audience's needs and address them in your videos to increase engagement. Additionally, sharing personal experiences that provide value to your viewers can deepen your connection with them. With these techniques, you'll undoubtedly be able to keep your channel thriving with fresh ideas and an avid audience who can't get enough of you. If you want to learn more about YouTube and content creation tips and tricks, why not watch this next video? Oh, and yes, please subscribe. Thank you.